Okay, ladies, this is part 2 of what to do when your bleach bath don't come through. This was my fail, and I'm going to show you how to make it a not fail. This was the picture that I got when I bought the wig off of AliExpress from RPG Show. It's a Brazilian wavy with bangs. This is a unit a year and a half later. It is heat damage to the max, and as you can see, can't comb through it either. I did this wig on the same day I did the other bleach bath. The only difference was this one, it did not take. And I've seen a couple of fails on YouTube, and it does happen. As you can see, I can't even get the comb through the bang. So it's pretty bad. I did lift this unit once to a light brown, so maybe that has something to do with it. But this is the results of my patience and time on how I made the bleach bath work afterwards. Same unit, but this time the only difference is you can comb through it. Starting from the top all the way to the bottom. Like I said, I did dye this unit before, so that and constantly putting heat to it, because I really wasn't very fond of it when I first got it. It was sort of too straight. I liked wavy hair, and it wasn't really all that wavy, so I would put a lot of spiral curls in it and wand curls constantly with no heat protectant whatsoever. And in return, the hair started to break and get heat damage. So I did bleach bath it once before, and it worked fine. And then I tried lifting the hair with some brown dye, and it took, but yeah. So this is cut straight through the whole bleach bath process that I did, and then when I took it out to get ready to condition it, this is what happened. Nope, it's not a tarantula or anything weird. This is the hair, and no matter how much I tried and tried, I got dreads. It'd be cool if you're going for the Bob Marley look, but that wasn't what I wanted. So I was like, how am I going to get this to work out? Silicone mix is extra creamy cracky, so yeah, I figured let me just take my time, and I do mean time, ladies, and go, yep, you guessed it, piece by piece, strand by strand. I'm going to go slow in the beginning just in case no one quite gets it. I started at the bottom and then went to the closest I could to the top. If you notice, taking a little bit of strands one by one. I'm going to speed it up now because I'm telling you now, this took me like a good hour to get through. Yeah, about an hour. And going piece by piece again. And just every time I got the pieces that were not tangled, okay, I made sure I brushed them all together. And then and again, I'm using my silicone mix. Going piece by piece, just saturating it with it and taking my time and going little by little until I get it all done. Now, as much as I would love to put you through the punishment of doing that piece by piece, little by little for the rest of this video, I'm not going to do that to you. I'm going to fast forward and get to the end really quickly, hopefully. Yay! Look, I saved it. So, after I got through with all of that, I end up taking the brush and just running the Denman brush and running it through it again and again to make sure that I have enough slip on the hair and that it's actually going to hold, because like I said, I did damage this hair with the curling irons, curling wands. I did a little bit of everything, and I didn't even care because I didn't like how, I don't know, what's the word, wiggy it looked when I got it. I wanted it to look sort of nappy-ish. But as you can see, my time and persistence paid off. It actually is combing through now. And I just, you know me, I got to make sure. So I'm taking it, going to put it in my trusty dusty Ziploc bag. And I'm going to cut here and put it in the container. And of course, I have the coffee pot on behind me. So I'm just going to take this hair, put it in that little pitcher you see on the counter and leave it there along with the hot water from the thing. This is the hair that was actually that I lost. Yeah. Now condition it overnight, and then I rinsed it. Well, you'll see me rinsing it now. This is I didn't want to take chances, so I left it overnight. I really want to make sure I can comb through it again. So far it looks good. I was pretty happy with the results. Let me know if you have any questions.